We are at AutoRama, Detroit, dropping off 2.0. It's going to be in the D-lot display. We're going to walk around, take a look at the cars, see what's here, and we will neglect to give you honest opinions for fear of hurting somebody's feelings.
Car has driven 760 miles. It has run the quickest pass in the history of drag week for a car that has completed the week. There's only one reason why they're making this pass, and it starts with a 5. And he gets out solid with a 1:05 short time. He goes for the 8th mile, 194 miles an hour, 599 with an 8, 250. That is the first 5-second time in the history of Hot Rod Drag Week.
So there you got a blower. Wait till you see the other thing that we're working on for. That'd be a baby blower. Oh,
that's pretty cool.
It's a monocular.
I like it all.
Look how they covered the, to make it look like drum brakes.
There's a lot of work in just building all those little pieces. It's pretty awesome.
Got vent spool for the side of that. Oh, my bad, it's a 69. The 70 had a more protruded front to the grill. That's a 69. Same body, it's just the very nose changed.
Yours has that same body line down it?
Yep. Yeah, it's just the front. The hood's got the big concave, and like the whole thing is part of the hood on a 70. Yeah, you can put that body, it'll fit right on there, make it into a wagon. There's a 57 handyman for you.
Look at how it goes.
Isn't that your gauge cluster?
No, mine's the cooler one.
Are you guys like Rocky's gang now or something? All right. How you doing, mister? What's up, Brian?
How you doing? Good.
Bob's like, look at that asshole with a Steve Morris shirt on. I'm like, oh, that's Bert. Okay. Well,
not exactly what I said.
I do that.
Chevy? I don't know. It's heavily modified.
Looks cool. I like the ribs. I like the stance. It sucked driving down the road.
Can't drive it around our house. It's ruined in 5 seconds.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
What is
The
that?
sponsor stickers are glass, but
All
there's a smoke
behind
window.
it. They're all behind the glass.
Oh, yeah. Almost like in the tin.
I'm pretty sure it's Chevy, but I do not know.
They figured out how to teach you the difference. 55, 56, 57.
Oh, very nice.
Easy, some of the cars around here. The amount of money in them. I think I see a fingerprint.
I'm sure you do.
Hey guys. Yes.
Jesus, then somebody did a
mile
diorama of the thing.
There you go.
There's your
air
cooler,
pool.
dude.
This is one of those cases. You know, if it only had,
Right. The only suck part is look, you can't open the door with that thing on.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
over the
connected
drip
to
rail.
roof. Yep. All right, for some people that don't know about the Detroit AutoRama, they do have an award here called the Ridler, and it is for cars that have never been shown. They weren't, I don't believe that they're allowed to be shown anywhere in the process of the build or anything. Their first time ever unveiled has to be at this show to qualify for that Ridler award. So that's basically, you cannot touch building a Ridler car for less than $1 million. So, and I think they have the grade 8, which will be the 8 will be, I think that goes up tomorrow morning. They'll have flags say grade 8, and that's for the 8 cars that actually are in it for the Ridler. One of those cars wins the Ridler. So, but that's one thing about Detroit AutoRama that's like a big deal, is that award.
The blue and red one.
Oh yeah, there you go. Thing is, I want mine minimally customized.
Minimally.
So many of them are like overdone
Yeah.
in my eyes. Is that turquoise on the front? Oh, that's Aiden's color. That's Lafire blue.
Well, that one is. Got the copper cart right there. Set so it's like a bicycle wheel.
To, run brakes. Gotcha.
Yeah, because those were spindle mount with no brakes. That's what I had in my car, but mine are the 17s.
And those are real magnesium wheels?
Yes.
Nice.
It's a checker. Look at the wheelbase on it. It's like a 20-foot wheelbase.
This is a new shit box.
Holy smokes.
Dragster wheelbase.
That's a checker, isn't it?
Yeah.
Dragster wheelbase.
Man, that guy's trying to get you for a 9-passenger. Look at this boy.
Look at this. We picked up a 25.
Look at the crew you could have in for drag and drive, dude.
I got a whole shop.
Yo, there's your 60 Cadillac wagon, Aiden.
It looked better.
Yeah.
Where?
What did that? What the hell does that even say?
Yale. It's Y-E-O, man. It's like, hey, man. Nice shot, man.
Don't even be able to tell. They'll look like the same car.
Yeah.
Keep the dash same too.
It was pro modded, and it was pretty controversial because of the aerodynamics of it. I put the hood scoop on that car about 25 times.
Kept blowing it off.
No, they kept switching engine combos and intakes and shit. And at least it looks like it fits.
Some good patina there.
Now see,
look at
the
the-
car upstairs that you like, this is the same car, but 4-door.
Look at the door skins.
Here's one of the grade 8 cars. So right now they are probably at the awards banquet trying to figure out who won the Ridler this year. So
No, but I did. almost all of the engine bay stuff. Yeah.
Nice job.
It's a SMX Steve Morris motor. Exclusive to him, water jacketed like 481X.
Got another grade 8. Saw this when we were here Friday or Thursday. Sweet.
We're all having heart attacks.
So at the end, we ended up pushing it out anyway because they're just starting to let some of the rigs in. Who knows what time. This is the first time I've ever had a car that wasn't running, driving to leave here. We usually park out in front of Cobo and load up out there. So they got a running start down the hill. We got it down the hill, push it through the intersection in here. These guys just wrapped up, so Bob will swoop in here or whatever, and then we'll load the car up and get on the road. So that is the, that's the goal, but that's Cobo. That's AutoRama 2022, so all good.